The 5 best abs exercises you can do at home. Getting a strong, toned core doesn't have to mean spending hours in the gym or buying expensive equipment. You can get great abs without ever leaving your house. In this video, we will be discussing the 5 best exercises you can do at home to strengthen your core and get amazing abs. These exercises are simple, effective, and don't require any extra equipment, just your body weight and a bit of motivation. How to get your abs looking their best with just a few simple exercises. 1. Seated Russian Twist. The seated Russian twist is a great exercise for toning and strengthening your core. It's easy to do at home and doesn't require any equipment, making it perfect for those looking to get a quick abs workout. To begin, sit on the floor with your legs outstretched in front of you. Bend your knees slightly and plant your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands together in front of you, palms touching. From this position, twist your torso from side to side, reaching your arms out in each direction as far as you can. Make sure to keep your core tight and controlled throughout the movement. The seated Russian twist can be modified to make it more challenging. To do this, place your feet up on a chair or bench and make sure to maintain good posture throughout the movement. Alternatively, you can add weight by holding a medicine ball or weighted plate while performing the exercise. This is an excellent exercise for targeting the obliques and strengthening the core muscles. Doing a few sets of seated Russian twists regularly will help to tone and define your abs and improve your overall strength. 2. Pilates Scissor. Pilates Scissor is a great exercise for strengthening your abdominal muscles and building core strength. It requires no equipment, so it's ideal for those looking to work out at home. To do this exercise, start in a seated position with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your feet off the ground, cross one leg over the other and then alternate, making a scissor-like motion. Make sure to keep your lower back pressed against the ground and focus on contracting your abs as you move. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps for optimal results. 3. Reverse Crunch. Reverse crunches are an excellent way to target your lower abdominal muscles. To perform a reverse crunch, begin by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head or cross them over your chest. As you exhale, use your abs to slowly curl your hips off the ground while simultaneously lifting your legs up toward the ceiling. At the top of the movement, your thighs should be perpendicular to the floor and your shins should be parallel. Pause for a moment and then slowly lower your legs and hips back to their starting position. For best results, complete 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. 4. Flutter Kicks. Flutter kicks are a great exercise for toning and strengthening your abs at home. To begin this exercise, lay flat on your back with your hands on the ground beside you. Lift both legs off the ground at a 45-degree angle and begin fluttering them up and down. Keep your core tight and keep your feet together as you flutter them up and down for 30 to 60 seconds. This exercise engages your lower abdominals and obliques and is an excellent way to get a workout without having to leave your home. 5. VUPS. VUPS are one of the most effective exercises for targeting your abs at home. This exercise is a great way to get your entire core involved while challenging your balance and coordination. To begin, lie on your back with your arms extended out to the sides and your legs straight. Contract your abs and bring your upper body and legs off the floor so that your body forms a V shape. Your hands should be reaching toward your toes. Slowly lower back down to the starting position, being sure to keep your core engaged throughout the entire exercise. VUPS can be modified by bending your knees or performing them on an incline, such as an elevated bench. This variation can help make the exercise more manageable while still providing a challenging workout. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, you can also increase the number of reps and sets. VUPS are a great way to target and tone your abs without having to leave the comfort of your own home. Just be sure to take proper rest days in between workouts, and focus on good form throughout all of your reps for optimal results.